Welcome to the DMS Online School. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to answer this question which I saw circulating on social media. Okay, I saw this question which is 2 to power x plus 2 to power x is equal to 1 solve for x. So I saw it being solved on social media, to be specific on Facebook, and the way it was solved, I think it was in a complicated way where a common person would not be able to understand. So I thought of answering it so that whoever will be able to watch, it will be easier for them to understand how to solve this question, because it is so simple. All right, so how do you solve such a question? You just look at this. So on the left side of the equal sign, you have 2 to power x and also 2 to power x. These are common factors, so you need just to factorize them. Okay, so you factor out 2x and also 2x here because they are common. So you factor out 2x or 2 to power x because it is common. So here, once you factor out 2 to power x, you remain with what? 1. Then here plus, also on this side, when you factor out 2 to power x, you remain with 1, like that. Okay, then you say equals to 1. Okay, then you rewrite 2 to power x, open brackets. Here you say 1 plus 1, you have 2, close brackets, is equal to 1. Then this is the same as the 2 to power x times 2, which is equal to 1. So here you need to get rid of what? Of the 2 here, so you can divide by 2 here. Also here you do the same, you divide by 2, so that 2 and 2 goes, so you remain with 2 to power x is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so this one, let me rewrite it here. So you have 2 to power x is equal to 1 over 2 here. So this one, for you to solve it, you can put this one 1 over 2 in index form. Okay, so you are going to use the rule of reciprocal. Okay, so the rule of reciprocal is that 1 over 2 can also be rewritten as 2 to power negative 1. Okay, so you can rewrite it now. You say 2 to power x is equal to 2 to power negative 1. Now that the bases are equal, it means the powers are equal as well. So it means x is equal to negative 1. So I hope now you understand how to solve this question. All right, shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is actually this screen recorder, which is the Bandcam. It is the best screen recorder that you can ever use. If you want, you can try it. The link is in the description so that you can test it. If you like it, then you continue using it. So for those interested in online lessons for mathematics at 60 kwacha, you contact me on 0977 92 41 75 so that you are assisted in mathematics at how much? At 60 kwacha per month. All right, thank you for watching. As for now, bye and see you in the next video.